Good evening, Dean Davidson, liveweatherblogs.com here with the synoptical map right now for I'm at 8:15 this evening. We have a severe weather outbreak going on out in Wisconsin as we speak. Take a look at there's a couple blogs going on right now. Bob is also doing one on the severe weather, so we're not going to go too much into that. I'm going to let him take that information that he go to his blog and take a look at that. We've also had some flash flooding in the Philadelphia area today, and we got some heat building in to the Roanoke Valley and to the southeast, expansive area of heat in the Midwest, with tons of areas that are under high for the heat watches for the heat, and temperatures are going near 100 degrees in most locations. Also, new coming out of the Virginia Department of Environmental Protection today, the state is under a drought watch due to the lack of rain. I mean, we've had some showers and thunderstorms that have put down some rain, but not enough. We're under a drought watch here in the state of Virginia, so that's coming out just new today. Take a look at the Great Lakes area. You can see where we have that. It seems to have made a line now more than isolated supercells. A lot of some rain-wrapped tornadoes were reported earlier in Wisconsin. You can see here 3 thunderstorm warnings out on this bow echo that's coming through the area in Wisconsin. It's moving to the east and to the southeast. Watch out for Beaver Dam, Pontage, Green Bay. Also, you're right on the verge of getting whacked by some thunderstorms here. Moving down a little further into Iowa, you see we have 3 thunderstorm warnings here, and we can see it's continuation of a bow echo line. You got to watch out here in this area near Omaha, Nebraska. You see how that line kind of curves in a backward C. We have to watch out in that location. Sometimes when the lines bow, we can get some tornadic development in that bow echo. So I wouldn't be surprised to get some isolated tornadoes down here in Nebraska City, Omaha. This area is still very conducive to tornadic activity. There's a whole bunch of severe thunderstorm watches and tornado watches, which we'll go to in a momentarily, of all the watches and warnings currently. All the watches currently out in the area. Taking a look at the storm prediction watch map, you can see tornado watch southern Wisconsin out into northern eastern Iowa, far south eastern Minnesota here, and severe thunderstorm watches right behind that with that line that's plowing its way through Omaha and that probably gets to Des Moines, Iowa a little bit later tonight as that severe weather will shift to the east. The next few days we're all going to have a severe weather outbreak. I'm going to say we're going to have multiple days of severe weather in a row. We're talking about 4 to 5 more days of severe weather possible. We have slight risk tomorrow out near Denver, Colorado, but we have that nice area of slight risk where that energy is going to shift east. Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, northwestern Ohio, Indianapolis, Indiana, all in the slight risk area, and that might get up to a moderate area, especially up near Chicago, up near Detroit, where the 30 percentile of severe weather is. Continuation towards going into towards Friday, we see Pittsburgh, Buffalo, Syracuse, Burlington, Vermont, back down to Cincinnati, Ohio. Slight risk of severe weather at that point on Friday. So you can see we're getting into this severe weather pattern here. A little bit different for the middle of July. Then we can shift it back into the upper plains for Saturday, Sunday across the Great Lakes, and Monday in the Northeast. So you can see this just pattern is just a continuation of severe weather. Hail, high winds, tornadoes, all going to be possible during this time. And even beyond that, you can look back out into the Midwest again for more severe weather. And as the jet stream is sitting up a little bit further south than normal into the United States, and that's where you're seeing these disturbances go, and that's why you're getting these day after day of severe weather in that location. And quickly, we're going to take a look at our the Roanoke Valley forecast from liveweatherblogs.com. 94 tomorrow, 94 Friday, 91 Saturday, 88 Sunday, 91 Monday. Chance of showers and thunderstorms each and every afternoon. A little bit better shot on Saturday, and the 70s and 60s are going to continuation as your lows. Also, stay with us later. We're going to have on Live Weather Blogs overnight edition. We're going to go into the severe weather reports and how many tornadoes that have occurred in the area. I should be posting that sometime about midnight this evening. Until then, this is Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com.